right up front. It's pretty much a camera. It's an advanced radar that measures everything that's going on after you hit the ball. So it measures everything that you're seeing up here. Exit speed, total spin, launch angle, exit direction, how many balls you've hit, how many balls have been thrown, the pitch speed, where it was in the strike zone, and then everyone's fun part of it is kind of seeing how far it went and where it went on the field in that bottom right-hand corner.
Okay.
So we use the Rapsodo as a way to kind of see everything that's going on as a causation of the swing. It's the effect. It's everything that I like to look at as far as, okay, with the swing that we have, what kind of results are we getting? Very simple. Everything that's post-swing. Everything that we use with the Diamond Kinetics, which is the sensor on the end of this bat, connects through Bluetooth to your phone, any kind of device, measures everything that's going on with your actual swing. So I like to look at it as from a basis of, okay, what's the swing actually like, disregarding results? Is the swing good? Is there things going on in the swing that we can look at and actually break down and either fix, use as our strength? There's a weakness we can fix and try to make the swing better. This thing will read off 11 different metrics that describe the swing. So there's a lot of data coming from this too. We use these in conjunction to kind of address different problems that we're seeing with the swing. A lot of times there's a lot of good things going on, and this thing will say something else, and that's something, we'll go back and we'll go, okay, something that we got to look at and just kind of monitor. On my end, I use these kind of as different tools to break down swings, and for me, the best thing that I can do is I go back and review all this data. So it's too much data. It's a crazy amount of data. So every swing I get about 20 different metrics that are involved on the data. So I use that, and I use all that data along with kind of what I'm seeing and our video, which is the GoPro. So there's one up here that measures kind of a top view. That's going to give me a good idea of what's going on with shoulder direction, stride direction, direction in general with the body, as negative and forward movements. Sometimes guys get too wrapped. Sometimes guys, their shoulder direction will be so far over the plate that they put themselves in bad positions. We just started with the top one. It's been really, really awesome for guys, and guys really have liked seeing that view. The Rays are actually the only team that does it because of the dome.
Sure.
So it's a cool view that we've started with. And then the side view is always a great view. Obviously you're getting a really good idea of separation. You're getting a really good idea of what's happening from your stance perspective into separation. Before stance, load, separation, contact, and extension through the ball. I break down the swing in 5 different ways that way too.
Okay.
So every swing, some people